Assalamu alaikum. This is Sir Nabeel Rahman and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn with Sir Nabeel. I hope you all are well. Today we have to cover the topic from mathematics. So, the topic name is working with percentages. As we all know, percentage is very important in mathematics. So, firstly, we have to find the compound interest. So, the question is amount invested is equals to 3000 and then interest rate is 4%. So, the first step is very easy. Interest rate at the end of the year is 4% of $3,000. So 4% is converted into 0.04 multiplied by $3,000. If we calculate this, so the answer will be $120. After 1 year, the amount will be 3,120. After second year, so the amount will be increased because the interest rate. So the amount will be 3,120 and again we have to apply the 4%. If we calculate this, so answer will be $124.80. So the next year would be, if we have to calculate the both year, the first year answer is 3120 and the second answer is 12480. So answer will be 3244.80 and so on. Compound interest amount invested is rupees 3000 and then the interest rate is 4%. After 1 year the amount will be 104% and the rupees is 3000. So if we convert percentage into the number will be 1.04 multiplied by 3000, it will be 3120. The amount of the end of the year of 2, so it will be 1.04 multiplied by 3120. If we calculate this, so the answer will be 3244 and so on. Now you have to try to repeat calculation like this one on calculator for the correction. If there is any problem, you can write in the comment box. Compound interest. Rupees is 3000 invested at 4% interest. So at the first year we did not take any interest or given interest. How much the amount after 5 years we have to find. So at the present its rupees will be 3000. After 1 year it's become 3120. After second year it's become 3244 as we calculate it before. After third year it's become 3374. After fourth year it's become 3509. After 5 year which we have to find 3649.96. Now the topic will be changed. Combining percentage changes. A shop markup the good it sale by 30%. In a sale, it reduced its normal price by 25%. What is the overall profit in percentage or loss on goods sold in the sale? Sale price is equals to 75% of the normal price. 75% of 130% of the cost price. 0.75 it is converted of the percentage multiplied by 1.3 which is also converted from the percentage multiplied by the cost price. If we calculate this, so answer will be 0.975 of the cost price. The shop makes a 2.5% loss on a good it sale in a sale. Reversing percentage change, it's very important. The price of a train fare increased by 2.5% recently because the inflation rate. It's now cost $66.42. How much did it cost before the rise in the price? We have to find the previous price. So firstly we have to write 1.025 multiplied by previous price equals to $66.42. 1.025 it's multiplying on the left hand side, we transfer on the left hand side, it's become division. So we have to find the previous price, so we have to divide 66.42 by 1.025. If we solve this, so the answer will be $64.80. Now the next topic is again reversing percentage change. After a 12.5% discount, insurance costs 25.90 rupees. What will be the cost before the discount? So we have to find the actual value. Again, 0.875 multiplied by full price equals to rupees 25.90. This is the formula. 0.875 is multiplying on the left hand side. If we transfer it on the right hand side, it's become division. Full price is equals to rupees 25.90 divided by 0.875. If we calculate this through calculator, so the answer will be of the full price is rupees 29.60. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you enjoy the lesson. Please like and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.